Daar was 'n tyd wat ek en my pa nie eye to eye gesien het nie. There was a time when we were not syncing, but I think it was based on the fact that you've taught me this well. I want to see how well do I fare in the world. Sy kan nie vir my leer en dan net vir my hier. As jy soos Richard vir sy laaitie vir Serena geleer het tennis speel, maar sy speel net in die yard.
Ja.
Ek wil mos kyk of ek kan Wimbledon kan. I want to see how good I am.
Ja.
If you know what I mean. So when I told my dad, Daddy, ek wil uitskiet. I want to see what I can do. I want to. He said, you're not going to make it.
Oof.
If you go out in the world, I'm telling you now, you're not going to make it. And then I was so mad. So
Hoe oud is jy toe?
that it created
Teenager.
So I was about 15 at the time, 16.
Yeah.
I was so mad that it created such friction that you just go out and nail every audition you go to. You nail every part. Sy slaan sommer lead roles.
Ja.
Just because
Jy wil prove a point now.
Sy ken my nie man. Ek gaan hom wel wys. Sy sê ek gaan wys. But it's so weird how a father works and his role in your life.
Ja.
And it came to a point where I was at an age where we could talk about this discomfort.
Ja.
Because ek sê, okay, but sy sê nie die vir Lukman nie, and you let Lukman just go. But when I told you I want to go, toe sê sy vir my, nee. Like, what's up with that? Toe kom het toe neer where he said to me, I told you what you needed to hear in order to succeed.
Okay. Ja. Jou psychology verstaan.
Hy sê, sy en Lukman, julle talente is dieselfde, but you guys are different.
Ja.
Lukman will go and he will do it because that's how his brain works. I will focus on what you work differently. For jou moet ek feel.
Ja.
Because then you will.
Ja.
You know.
Ja.
And then it became kind of water under the bridge, which also then repaired our relationship, which also then made us closer together because then I could understand the psychology. En ek dink meer van daai goed is kom maar net neer the moment you become a dad yourself.
Ja. Nee.
Because dan drop die penny dan you're like,
Klips teen hart.
oh, okay.
Ja. Het gaat nou aan in my huis aan. Het gaat in my huis aan.
You know what I mean? So I think